Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this video. Students, I have already published a video on poem You Start Dying Slowly, and I hope all of you have seen, and still if you have not seen, see here, touch this I button and watch this video first. And in this video, I am going to explain English workshop activity. Hope so all of you have completed English workshop activity. If you have completed, then watch this video and check it once again. And still if you have not completed your English workshop activity, then you must watch this video till to end and complete your English workshop activity. Let's start. So let's start. You start dying slowly, and we are going to watch English workshop activity. See, here first question. Read the different messages in the poem given below and choose the one that suits this poem best. See, here are given some messages. First one, face life whatever it may give you. Second, fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. Third one, be yourself and do what your heart tells you. Fourth, accept all possible changes or risks that you have taken. And last one, keeping your self-esteem intact, just try to relax in life. See, all messages are related with the poem, but which one suits the best? Answer is, see, accept all possible changes or risks that you have taken. Our next question is, state the following theme or central idea of the poem. Students, I have already explained the detailed theme, but let's see here. Let's see answer of this question. See, a different perspective of life is given by the best. Perspectives means ways of living happy life. So we must pursue dreams and passions, experience emotions, take risks, avoid routine, travel, meet people, and attempt to go against sensible advice. Otherwise, the poet says it is not real or vital life that we are leading, but a slow death. See, next question number 2b is line that provides evidence of the theme. And which lines provides evidence? See, answer of this question is, in that poem given one line, if you do not change your life, you start dying slowly. So this line provides evidence of the theme. Next question, question number C. 3 characteristics from the poem that makes a person dull and misunderstanding. Okay, can you tell? See, answer of this question is, first one, becoming a slave of your habits. It means don't become your slave. It means don't become slave of your habits. Second one, following the same routine. If you are not changing your route or routine, then you start dying slowly. And last one, not wearing different colors. So these are the 3 characteristics in the poem who makes person dull and uninteresting. Next question, question number 3. Pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write them down with the nouns they describe. See, here are adjectives and their noun. First one, same path, turbulent emotions, sensible advice, different colors. So here, just left side, these are all adjectives and right side all are nouns. Next question. Compare the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly to the poem in unit number 1, 1.1 and 1.3. To which poem does the structure match? Now, just open your textbook and go on page number 3 and page number 18 and you will get answer of this question. See, answer is, the structure of You Start Dying Slowly matches with the structure of a poem A Basket Full of Moonlight, which is on page number 18. And now compare Teenager's Prayer and You Start Dying Slowly. See, rhyme scheme is there in Teenager's Prayer, but here in this poem there is no rhyme scheme. it is free words. Second one is teenager's prayer is narrative poem. Teenager is a praying to God. And this You Start Dying Slowly is a didactic poem. It means this poem gives or giving advice for happy life. And third one, just change, is just quatrains. It means teenager's prayer have 4 lines in each stanza, but here in this poem there's different numbers of lines in each stanza. So these are the changes in structure. But structure of You Start Dying Slowly and Basketful of Moonlight are matching. Question number 5. What expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? And why do you think the poet emphasizes it? Now we know very well that which expression is repeated here in this poem. The expression You Start Dying Slowly is repeated in this poem. And second question is how many times it repeated? 4 times. Line is repeated in this poem. And last question, why do you think the poet emphasizes it? See, the poet wants us to realize the significance of his message. And what is his message? Just live your life happy. And the line contains the central idea of the poem which the poet wants to convey. Our next question, question number 6 is write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. See, here is given you do not travel, and what you are going to do now? You are going to write opposite of given phrase. So you do not travel, opposite is you should travel as much as you can. B, you do not appreciate yourself, opposite is you must appreciate yourself. C, you kill your self-esteem, answer is you should keep up your self-esteem. D, you become a slave of habits, and answer is you should never become a slave of habits. You refuse to speak to strangers, and answer is you should try to speak to strangers. F, you do not change your life, and answer is you should change your life. G, you refuse to take a risk, answer is you should take a risk. So these are the sub questions under question number 6. Now let's see question number 7. Go through the following step and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the given points and give in another interesting title. See what points are given here. Page number 44. These are the points and you are going to discuss on the points and write a paragraph using it. Read out all these 6 sentences and directly we will write paragraph on it. If there is bad habit, you should give up all your bad habits. तुमच्या जर काही बॅड हॅबिट्स असतील तर त्या तुम्ही सोडून देणं गरजेचं आहे. You should avoid negative thoughts and always think positively. Be positive in your life. You must trust yourself and love what you do. You must become lifelong learner so that we can enhance our knowledge continuously. You must share things with others. Life will become enjoyable if we care for others. We must always try to be humble and modest. We must respect our teachers and elders, and we must be ready to accept each day with a smile even if it brings bad things. Question number 8 is complete the following table with the things you in your life which help you to change your habits and routine. And here is given one table. See, if I travel, I shall widen my knowledge and experience. If I read, I shall get knowledge. If I change my bad habits, I shall become a better human being. And if I play continuously on a mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasure of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, I shall feel lonely. So you just travel, read, change your bad habits, and don't use mobile for a long time, and make new friends. Question number 9 is, everyone needs inspiration to move ahead, to make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? See, according to me, just stories of successful persons and lives of great men also always inspires us. Then challenges in our life, our dreams also inspire us. Then our ambitions, our faith in yourself, it is most important, it is also inspires. Then motivation, role models, and parents, teachers, support also inspires us to get success in life or progress in life. Question number 10 is, complete the web diagrams with words that go with their topic. And first diagram is given here, turbulent, and two words are given for you. First one is storm and second one is sea waves. Then you can write condition, turbulent condition, then crowd and weather. So these are the related words with turbulent. Second wave diagram is glistening. Glistening, चकाकने. So glistening eyes, then glistening fish, glistening wet streets, glistening hair, and glistening snow-capped mountains. And last wave diagram is given here, sensible, and one is done for you, advice, sensible advice. Then sensible dialogue, sensible idea, sensible deal, and sensible person. These are the related words with word sensible. See, our today's second last question, question number 11. Write about a day when you felt very happy and use the following questions to help you. Think, recollect a day, note down the points. आपल्या जीवनामध्ये एखादा असा दिवस येऊन गेलेला असतो की तो खूप आपल्या दृष्टीनं अतिशय आनंदी आणि महत्वाचा असा दिवस असतो. त्या दिवसाविषयी आपल्याला इथं लिहायचं आहे. अँड सम पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो गिवन हिअर डाउन साइड. यू कॅन यूज दॅट पॉइंट्स. See, here are 8 points also given here, and after completing this you just write paragraph. So let's see. So here are 8 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay, you can write your own answers, but as an example I'm giving here. See, first question, do you remember the exact day and date? Tuesday, 8 December 2018. Second question, was it a special occasion or celebration? Yes, that day felicitation at the hands of a chief guest. Third question, what happened on that day? That day I received a trophy and prize for getting 98% in 10th standard. Question number 4, how did you react to the things that happened on that day? I felt I was at the top of the world. I felt very happy. Next question, how did other people react when they saw you were so happy? So they were proud and happy. Next, question number 6, what did you do next? See, I thanked my parents and teachers for their support and encouragement. Question number 7, what happened in the end? We all enjoyed a grand lunch party. Then last question, describe any other emotions you felt that day. About emotions, I just feel gratitude and pride. And here, downside given. Now with the help of guideline, write a short paragraph of at least 100 words about that happy day and give suitable title for your narrative or write-up. See, now we have seen answers of all questions. You can collect all that sentences and write paragraph using your own answers also. And what title we can give here? The greatest day in my life, or in textbook there is given living a better life English workshop activity. Use internet or any book to write 4 inspirational or motivational quotes related to the message or messages in the poem. There are thousands of quotes you will find, you will see on internet. See some quotes for you. First, the purpose of our lives is to be happy, Dalai Lama said. Second, the happiness of our life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Third one, everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want different result, make a different choice. And last one, you are not here to make others understand you. You are here to understand yourself. So that's it in this English workshop activity. Thank you very much for watching till to end, and just keep watching. Don't forget to still if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Keep watching.